In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Look Busy feature on Booksy's web platform. Whether you want to manage your appointment availability or present a busier schedule to clients, this feature can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into Booksy. Open your web browser and head over to booksy.com/biz. Once there, sign in using your provider account credentials. If you don't already have these details handy, you might find it useful to save them in a secure password manager for future access. Logging in with ease helps in maintaining a smooth workflow. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the sidebar menu. On this menu, you'll find a section labeled Settings. Give it a click, and this will lead you to a world of customization options for your Booksy account. Think of settings as your central hub. When you're familiar with this area, you can tweak, adjust, and set up your account in ways that best fit your business needs. Now at this point, you'll want to find the Look Busy option. It could be located under Business Settings or perhaps Calendar Settings, depending on the setup of your specific dashboard. If you're struggling to find it right away, don't worry. Business Settings are where you'll configure the most crucial aspects of your operations, and Calendar Settings will handle anything related to scheduling. It's worth spending some time familiarizing yourself with these sections if you haven't already. Once you've located Look Busy, you'll notice a slider or a percentage option available. This is where you'll have control over how much of your availability you want to display. To give you an idea, if the slider is set to 0%, all of your available slots will be visible to clients. Slide it over to 50% and you're only revealing half of your actual open time slots. If you prefer to show even less, maximize it to around 75% and only a very limited number of slots will be bookable. The idea here is to make your schedule look more filled up, which can often increase demand or urgency among clients. After adjusting the slider to your preference, the next step is crucial. Make sure to save your changes. Typically, there will be a save or an apply button located nearby that finalizes any adjustments you've made. Clicking this will ensure your settings are active. With these changes saved, your clients will now only have access to the slots you've made visible. This strategic management of availability can present your calendar as bustling. It might also give you more control over how your schedule fills up. With these tips, utilizing the Look Busy feature on Booksy can help you craft your perfect workflow. Thank you for tuning in and have a busy day.